Hello mga kayapi! Welcome back! Another day, another item to review. Meron tayo ditong Tapo C125, the AI Home Security Wi-Fi Camera. So, let's unbox this and test it out! So mga kayopi, this is the Tapo C125. So let's unbox this. So yung kinuha natin mga kayopi is yung meron kasamang 256GB na variant. So we are upgrading our Wi-Fi camera from Yi to Tapo. So this is the third camera I have na Tapo brand. Yung una yung C120 and this time I'm gonna try the C125. Tingnan natin kung maganda ba yung quality nito. And one of the reason na gusto ko kasi sa C120 is yung AI camera and yung night boost niya. So tingnan naman natin to kung maganda din ba ang quality. Let's open it. So this camera, by the way, is applicable for Apple HomeKit for those Apple user. But apparently, I'm using an Google Home or an Alexa Amazon. So okay din to sa akin. So may quick start. May label. So if you're gonna want to drill the hole, so ito yung guide niya. Then this one is not USB Type-C, unlike the C120 na Type-C na yung cable. Ito barrel type pa. So old one. So mukha namang mahaba. So we're gonna use this one. It has some screw which I'm gonna use it later. Pwede nyo ding idikit siya if you want to. Yan, no? May double-sided kung ayaw nyo mag-drill ng hole. And ito yung base plate niya. Yan. Ito lang naman yung need mong ilagay. So bakit ganito lang? Diba? So the reason for that one is this camera is magnetic. Yan. Ito yung main camera niya. Oh, naka-globe, diba? Itong base niya is magnetic. Yan, oh. Yun. And ito yung main camera. Yan. Ganyan lang mga kayopi. So, let's remove this. Yun. Yun. Sarap tanggalin, no? It's capable of until 512GB of SSD card kung ayaw nyong bumili ng Tapo Care or yung storage sa cloud. You can just insert a memory card here. So, magnet base. So, indoor lang to mga kayopi. And meron siyang shutter close. Meron ditong yung mga kayopi pakita ko. Meron ditong privacy shutter. So, pag pinindot niyo yan, magko-close yan if you want privacy. And dito yung sa other side is yung memory card. So, yun lang. So, simple. So, I gonna install this first. Tapos C125. Then, I gonna show you yung mga footage niya and yung AI capabilities niya. Hindi ko napapakita kung paano install pero I'll try to install it first. So, yun mga kayopi. Before I try to install this, pakita ko lang sa inyo na may shutter siya na physical. Yan, no? Pag pinindot ko to, may privacy. You know. If nakabit nyo na naman to sa mga ceiling or dun sa unreachable places, since hindi nyo na mapipindot to, you can still close it via app yung shutter nya. So yan mga kayopi. Let's install this and test it out. So mga kayopi, once you open your Tapo app, just click the plus sign and add device. And hanapin nyo lang yung C125 na camera. So ganun lang kadali, diba? Click that and then click next. Then enable, allow. So yan lang mga kayopi. Magpe-pair na yan dun.
Wi-Fi connected.
Ito yung mga AI detection ng Tapo camera. So meron siyang motion detection, person detection, pet detection, and many more. So meron din siyang vehicle detection. Since indoor tayo, gamitin lang natin yung person detection. Yung mga iba, baby crying, you can also use that. Glass break detection, yun. So for the alarm naman, so we can turn it on. So pag may nakita siyang tao, mag-a-alarm siya. Ito yung sample alarm niya. So yun mga kayopi, yung sample alarm. Kasi nakakita siya ng tao. So yun mga kayopi, nandito tayo ngayon. So the turn off yung light. So naka-infrared sensor siya. Ganyan tayo. So medyo visible naman yung face ko. So I think you can see right next here. So ganyan yung total darkness niya. So if it's using the infrared, mga kayopi, boom, it clearly on that camera. So I'm gonna turn on that light and then see yung lights is turned on. So yan mga kayopi, ganito yung captured ng camera niya.
kapag naka-turn on yung light. So, yung C125, the reason I bought this product is yung viewing angle niya is 140 degrees. Kita niyo naman, yung mga kita niyo yung stairs and kita niyo yung door here. So, hindi na natin kailangan ng mga front and tilt camera. Kita niya na lahat. So, tinarn ko lang yung tali para makita niyo yung AI camera is working na nakakita siya na person. But in reality, you can turn off the tali para hindi masyado disturbance in your capture images. So, yun mga kayo. If interested kayo sa product na to, just check on the description below or just search pa lang. Bye!